Hello.
How are you?
Not bad.
Not good, I heard.
Oh.
Because you're having some issues with your...
It's a never-ending story.
I know. So, I talked to Dawn. I'm going to clear it out and...
Again? Okay.
Again. They're going to be looking into other things they can do now.
Yeah, because this is crazy.
Yeah, 100%. What? I was here, last week?
Wednesday.
Wednesday, so...
Thursday, Friday started. The whole weekend.
Yeah, no, that's...
Friday, come on in. Friday, Sunday. Friday, Sunday, I got to clean it up. And this morning I said, I'm not going to have a poo here. I just cleaned it. I went down this basement, did what I had to do, flushed the toilet, and it was the weirdest thing. The poo stayed right in the hole. The water just completely disappeared.
Really?
I've never seen that before. But now I looked at it tonight and the water's back there, but I didn't flush it.
Okay. So, you want me to start upstairs first?
Sure.
Okay. How's it going again?
Oh, back again, eh?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah. I knew you'd have to stick around.
I know.
I've got a snake with a poke at the end.
Oh, yeah? All right. What's that?
Then we went down.
Yeah.
The last time he probably broke a hole. And then, as I said, we were free to go to the bathroom, like number 2, this starts again.
Yeah, that's why they're going to look into, I don't know if they're going to be doing a video or if they're going to be, that's I think what they got to do.
Well, we said that a few years ago.
So I did talk to Dawn already and told her that there's...
Every time they want to change the toilet, I'm going, it's not the toilet.
Yeah, exactly, right?
They change it, then 2 days later,
She was
they
saying
take
that
out their
today.
trash up, and it's like...
She said that today. She
Yeah.
said, I'm talking to Steven. And she says, well, he's got 2 toilets. I said, Don, please. She said, oh, but they're nice big ones. I said, I don't care the size of the toilet.
All right, I'm going to take a look at the one downstairs here. Okay. So you're good again. See what happens. I don't mean to rush, but I'm gotta head way out to Scarborough now.
Oh my God.
So, guys, have a good night. Like I said, I did talk to Dawn. I'm gonna remind her again when I get the bill signed, and then we'll go from there. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Bye now. Alright guys, it's been Jay, that drain guy. Turog now.